Interesting. Just came off this little side trail because I was skirting along, and it put me out at this little clearing that I didn't even know was here. So I'm gonna go check out that little area, and then it swings around. I hear people coming, but it's all good. And it goes back that way. I have an idea where this goes. Well, I know that goes north, but I don't know what's over this way. So we're gonna check it. Interesting. I think we got a little hill over there. I see it looks like a cedar tree. Maple, pine. I'm hearing what sounds like gunshots. I don't know if you can see it, but right there looks like a trail that goes up there. And it looks like a trail right here that goes around the backside of that hill. Kind of want to go check it out. I'm curious. I don't know if you can hike to the top of that. Let's find out. Well, I just came bombing up this way, and it doesn't look like that's going to be able to get to the top because it's covered in sticker bushes. Tripod. So yeah, I'm not trudging through sticker bushes. That would be all kinds of suck. I do want to go. I do want to continue going up though, because there might be a nice spot to sit and have a cup of tea and enjoy the views. The camera won't do it justice, but this thing is steep. Wow. So here's where I'm coming up. Getting my exercise today, I tell you what. The top's not too far. You can see the whole thing. Sticker bushes. My goal is that tree right there. Not the pine on the left, but that maple straight ahead. That's my goal. Just got to push on and get to it. Then I'm going to take a well. Alright, I've reached the top. My apologies for the wind noise. There's the hill. I said my goal is going to be there, but this looks like a nicer spot to stop. It goes back down, and then there's Mount Rainier. Still an active volcano here in Washington. Man, that's a heck of a zoom. Now people have stood at the top of that. It's a nice view. Didn't take me real long to get up here, maybe an hour. And that's, you know, constant stopping to film, setting the camera, doing the less shroud shot. Looks like we got a business down here. I don't know what it is. That's the, I don't know if I know that. Oh, I know exactly where I am. Oh, that's funny. That road down there, the main road, is the road I drove up in on. And that gas station right there, I'll zoom in. Little gas station right there. Yeah, I know exactly where I am. I've driven by there many, many times. Never seen it from this high up, and I've never seen it from this point of view. It's pretty cool. I'm digging it at least. Hope you guys are. Little power station down there. See all the trees across the valley. It's like a quarry over there. Mount Rainier. I mean, imagine waking up and having that view every day. Freaking sweet. It's kicking up. I I'm gonna stop right here and have some tea. Well-deserved break. That's my shadow, my camera. It's crazy bringing all that camera weight, Mark. Well, it's the life of a YouTuber, man. No camera means no videos, so I think right there looks like a good spot to set my pack. Let's get to it. So you're probably wondering, did you bring a fire kit this time, Mark? I sure did. I also brought my backup fire kit. You're probably wondering what stove I brought. Well, I didn't bring a stove. I brought a thermos. Instead of sitting here boiling, oh, come on. Instead of sitting here boiling water and everything else, I pre-boiled some Chaga tea at home. Put a little honey in there, so I probably should make sure that honey is mixed in there. There we go, a little Chaga tea with honey. I went ahead and filtered it at home and everything. Cheers, one and all. Oh, that's good. That's real good. And while I was getting gas, I decided to get myself a little trail snack as well. Grandma's cookies. Heck yeah. Man, I'll tell you what, a thermos was a great idea. I can't take credit for the idea. Buddy and I, excuse me, we hiked up this place called Squawk Mountain. Just a beast of a hike. Real steep. It's just nothing but, uphill. Well, we get all the way up there and there's an old fireplace, like an actual home fireplace, brick fireplace with the chimney and everything. And it had, I'll try to get a picture. I don't know if I took a picture. If I do, I'll roll it in right here. So my buddy and I were sitting there kind of practicing some fire stuff, and this old guy comes up, real friendly, and he drops his pack and he busts out, you know, thing, and he starts pouring himself a cup of tea, and I'm like, dude, it's like, that tea? He goes, yeah. I was like, that is a great idea. I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but this is like 8 years ago. But fantastic idea, sir. A little hot brew, don't have to waste my time boiling, saves me fuel, and it's money. The really good drinking temperature too. Like, I pulled it literally right off the stove. I didn't let it sit and steep or anything. I just turned off the stove, poured it through the filter to get the save the chaga for next time. It's a great drinking temperature. Sweet. Probably gonna head back, go do some lunch. It's been good getting out. It's wow, it's 11:17 already. Probably get back about 12. Go to where I'm gonna go to shoot my tailgate Thursday, but I'm gonna have lunch there. I don't know how much I'll get. I don't know if I'll shoot anything on the way back or not. I guess we'll see. I might do a couple B-roll shots just of me walking back, but probably won't be a ton unless something interesting comes up. Bringing a chair too. Another money idea. Allows me to sit down versus having to stand here and drink my tea. Alright, I'm all packed up. I wasn't going to show this at first, but I think I mentioned this thing being steep. Yeah, it's pretty gnarly. This may be why they said it was private property at the beginning. Or, sorry, no trespassing. But, you know, they weren't specific, and there wasn't a sign back at the other. You know, when I came into the clearing, there was no sign, so. But then it's not like the only thing I left here was footprints, so. I don't want to slip in the mud and fall. Well, that would be entertaining. It would also be kind of irritating. Like I said, it'd been raining all week, so it was like super wet out here. Just taking my time because I don't want to fall back on my knee or anything either, and that would make the rest of the walk out a real suck fest. There was no problem going down, but coming up, glad I got boots with some decent tread. Actually, they had new tread. Just got them resold. So, wearing my a solo hiking boots. Man, sure is pretty. All that. And all it takes to go see stuff like this is just a little walking. That's it. A little walking. I knew about this trail because I was driving by it, you know. It's like you might drive by a little hidden gem every time you go out. Just pull over one day and just go hike it. You'll see some nice views. Could find some nice resources. Take some good pictures. Guess I'll quit rambling and put the camera down. Maybe one more shot of one more scenic shot. Oh, we got an eagle up too. Can I get him on camera though? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's too fast. Well played, eagle. Well played. He's probably thinking, is that a camera? And then dodges me effortlessly. Alrighty, I can actually see the road from here. It's amazing how much ground I covered. Excuse me, when I wasn't stopping to film or goof off. Wow, what the? Gotta calm down a little bit. Jeez. So anyway, I do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next one. And yeah, have a good day. Have a great weekend.